Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I've travelled out to the Dandenong Ranges where I'm in search of some eastern yellow robins. Now, eastern yellow robins are a fairly common bird in the bushland surrounding Melbourne and Victoria, but they do make wonderful photos. They tend to strike these sort of power poses on the sides of trees, which makes for really attractive photography. The other reason I wanted to make this video was that for some reason this year I seem to be seeing more eastern yellow robins than I have in previous years. Now that may just be me noticing them more, but we have had quite a mild summer here in Melbourne due to the strong La Nina effect. It's been mild and wet, and so I don't know if that means that there's been an increase in survivability of the young, but just walking around the bush I tend to notice them more than I have in previous years. So I thought it was worth making a video about them. Anyway, enough chatter, let's head off and see if we can find any. Okay, so we have a few birds here. It looks like it's a mixture of juveniles and adults. The lighting conditions aren't great. It's a bit dark and overcast, but we'll have a go and see what we can get anyway. Well, I really hope you enjoyed seeing those little robins, and remember, if you liked this video, please subscribe, and I'll see you back on the channel very soon.